Hey Dheeraj,
Hi Nivedita.
how was the UTB yesterday?
So it was really good.
Awesome. And what actually happens in a UTB?
So UTB stands for University Tech Bytes, which is an initiative of Abhiyantha, the training arm of Intuple Technologies. It is a series of lab experiments based on different university syllabi like Anna University and VTU.
What was yesterday's session about?
So yesterday we looked into the design of a Plummer Block, which is a mechanical system which is used for transferring high power and heavy loads.
Could you please give me some key takeaways?
So the students basically learned what is CAD, so computer-aided design, how is it relevant in today or in the industry, and how can a person upskill themselves, how can students upskill themselves using CAD.
Awesome. And could you give us the topic for next week?
That's a good question. So if you want to know more, please visit our website www.abhiyantha.com, or for more updates, you can visit our Instagram page.
All right. Thank you, Dheeraj.
Thank you, Nivedita.